Hello guys, I'm here today with another video, and I will today explain with how to get e-pass to get off from Maharashtra to your home state. So you have to enter into Chrome website, Chrome Google page, and you should enter there covid19.mhpolice.in. You have to enter into that website, and then you will get this enter page like this, and you will see apply here portion. You should enter there, apply here, and first you have to ask there, do you need to visit outside of Maharashtra? So you have to tell yes, and they will ask how many passengers you will leave from Maharashtra. You can select 4, 5 or more. I will select now 4 for example, and submit. You have to, then you will enter your then you have to enter where you can your city of Maharashtra commissioner under. Select one of this and select one of this. I will select Aurangabad city. Then your name, you should enter your name and your date of birth and your reaching mobile number only. Okay, reaching mobile number, they will call that number maybe. And select type of travel. I will select a standard individual, and reason or purpose, you will brief that reason why you want to leave that state. And vehicle type, 4-wheeler or bus, you can select any of this. I will select 4-wheeler, and you have to enter that 4-wheeler number also, and enter current address where you can live now, and email ID which is existing, and Aurangabad city. Destination point, where you can want to destination, you will select Aurangabad state from where you can, Chittoor, like any other place. And number of passengers numbers list you want to take, and destination address where you can go, and where that was place where state, and PO address like post office code like. And then you have to enter co-passenger's name also, and they will ask, are you planning to return via same route? You can either select yes or no. I'll select no, and you have to attach your latest photo, and with that photo size should be 200 KB, under 200 KB. Okay, you should notice that. And you have to submit the Aadhaar card details, like Aadhaar card. Okay, you have Aadhaar card, you should attach that here and submit. Take submit button, and then you will get like this page. You get I write in example NAV 341234567890, like you will get token ID. Then you will, after 2.5 hours later, you have to get back that page and search your status, same page. Okay, search your enter your token ID here and search. Your token ID is activated, you will get message. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you all take this video to get back your home safely. Stay safe and stay home. Thank you guys.